Boys, I am excited about this one. You guys know what's in this box if you have watched the channel for any time and you've seen my past 2 Grand Cherokees or even the Charger. I think I might have done something. This is going to be a huge shout out to Crux Motorsports. You guys know I can never say that right. You know I can never say it. But whoever made this thing right here, shout out to them. They've been a long time sponsor of the channel, even supported me when I had like 1,000 subscribers and maybe even before that. So now that we've got 36, I want you guys to go ahead and show some love in the description. I'm not getting anything for that other than they sent this out to me for free to support the channel and support the build. And I really am excited for this because I haven't seen a lot of these Grand Cherokees with this, and I think it's really gonna go ahead and change things. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and tint this out right here. We're gonna tint out the third brake light. We're also gonna go ahead and tint the reflectors down here on the back, which is gonna look awesome. I'm really excited about that. And then of all of the things that it comes with, this is what I'm most excited about, and that's going to be this area right here. Now this big orange reflector looks so ugly on this Jeep, and I think it's going to really make a difference. So we're going to start with that and go all the way around and do everything else. Obviously we're going to go ahead and get some tint on this once we do get the inspection all sorted away, and of course get rid of this front plate because that's not doing it for me. Oh, and I almost forgot, we also got the ones for here as well. Like I said, they went ahead and hooked us up and sent us the whole kit for the entire vehicle, so definitely go show some love down below, of course, as always. And let's go ahead and head to the garage and start to get to work on this because you guys can see the sun's going down. It's a beautiful sunset, but I gotta get to work. You guys always love this sign. I don't know what it is about that. Like, I feel like you guys think it's weird that there's a 27-mile-per-hour sign. Like, you guys don't have those where you live. Always remember to use your turn signal, and always make sure that you give it a little rip just to see how it feels. Like I said, V6 boys, V6. Mat it to the floor. Ooh, she's not quick at all. Not quick at all.
A few moments later.
As long as we're good on one side, we're good on the other mathematically, right guys, right? And then we just look right there. Look at this, look at this, look at this technique. You just look at that and make sure it's aligned like right about there. Oh, we're golden, boys, we're golden. Now we need to find a couple things. This one right here, I mean, this is the messiest garage, guys. I haven't been recording videos or doing anything. It's become junk. We've got our OG heat gun. If you guys remember, then you remember, and you're an OG, and I appreciate you being here. But we gotta get this guy hooked up because we gotta try and put these vinyls on. And without it, it's not gonna go so. And without it, it's not gonna go so well. I do want to apologize right away, just because the audio is probably gonna be kind of a little echoey in here. But I am gonna try my best to, you know, talk into the camera and make it a little bit better. But yeah, we gotta clean these and then go ahead and start installing. Again, like I said, I'll probably start here and then work my way back. That way, you know, if I run out of time, a couple little things are good, but you know, it's a Monday night at around 6:49, haven't eaten dinner yet, so we're just getting to work, baby, we're just getting to work. Now, in a rare exclusive segment you guys are allowed in my house, and we're gonna go ahead and open this up and see what we've got, because like I said, they hooked it up and I asked for just about everything, so not trying to take advantage, but you know, your boy's gotta do some cool stuff. So this is the rear reflector for the bumpers. So these are all pre-cut. If you don't know what they are, they're all pre-cut tint kind of things. So I went with 20% dark smoke all the way around. This one is the third brake light. This one is our lower tail light section. So this is gonna be our biggest section. It does look like their packaging might have updated a little bit, and they got some really nice stuff going on here. Then we've got these, which I'm assuming these are for the mirror. Yep, little small turn signals. That's really cool. This one is going to be our side marker reflectors, I'd assume. You can see here, 21 plus Jeep Grand Cherokee L front bumper reflector, which also fit the regular Grand Cherokee. And then down here, we've got a nice Crux Moto that you know I can't say, and another nice little vinyl decal sticker. So shout out to them for everything that they sent. Now to me, this is the ugliest part of the Jeep because it's bright orange, just doesn't go with anything else. So this was my immediate first thought when I got it, that I need to black this out, black the lugs out, that kind of thing. So we're gonna go ahead and actually black this out first, because yeah, most important. Now my car's pretty clean right now, but I'm still just gonna hit it with some rubbing alcohol just to make sure there's no residual anything stuck on there, and make sure we're nice and clean for the adhesive on the vinyl. Now you guys know me, we got the squeegee here. This is going to be an essential just to kind of make sure it's nice and smooth with no wrinkles, hopefully. You can get everything linked down below on Amazon, super cheap, but definitely get a good quality squeegee, as well as some wrap gloves. These are gonna be making the world of difference. One, for the heat, and two, just the aspect of being able to slide it against the vinyl nicely. Definitely get yourself some wrap gloves. Now the cool thing with them is they do come with instructions for everything. They do little videos on it all. So if you don't wanna watch me attempt to do it, then you can definitely watch their tutorial from them and kind of learn how to do it. Now here's the little cutout overlay. So obviously they have the one that says DS for driver's side, so you can kind of line it up and see how it's gonna look, how it's gonna go on. And yeah, we're just gonna go for it because I've kind of done this before, and yeah, I mean, you can only mess it up so bad, right? Now there we go, guys. What do you think, before or after? Now I'm gonna go around and repeat the same thing, not only for the other side for that, but I'm also gonna do this and the back, and I will catch up with you guys after, probably on a different day, and show you guys how it came out.
What follows is a brief construction montage.
Now guys, some mistakes might have been made on the Jeep, on the Crux Motorsports things. It's a few days later now. I'm not sure how many days, but it is a few days later. And you guys can see down here, we did get the rear reflectors on. There's a little bit that kind of sticks out over here. I didn't do a great job. You know, it was a little tough. I was also rushing through it, obviously, you know, doing it later at night. Down here, there's a little bit. But when you stand back, you don't really notice it too much. I mean, the insides, you kind of do, maybe. Probably not on camera. But you do notice that there's nothing on here. I did get this kit, but there's nothing on there. I'll tell you about that in just a second. And then we do have this area up here, which you can see I need to smooth out just a little bit, but the third brake light actually looks pretty good. It's not too bad. And then the one other thing would be right over here in this area, and that's right here. So these reflectors are pretty good as well. There's, again, the corners. I didn't do a great job with the corners, but when you stand back, it's really not too bad. Now you're probably wondering, hey, why did you not stick these guys on here? And because I thought it would look really cool if I wrapped this entire piece with tint, right? Because then you got your black line here, and then it would just, you know, cover the whole thing and really black it out. But yeah, I'll show you what happened with that. It's right here. This is what happened with that. And being inside the car is kind of interesting, right? Why would I have it inside the car? Well, let me tell you. Let me pop a few pictures of what it did look like. So I did have it completely covered, and it did work perfectly fine. But yeah, like I said, you guys can see over here. This little ball is basically all the vinyl tint that I had, and yeah, it didn't really work out. So I peeled it off in the parking lot. I'll show you what it looked like. It was really not good at all. And I am gonna go ahead and use the Crux Motorsports kind of one, and just go ahead and stick that on here for now. See if I can't get that to work out. But you guys can see it looks a lot better so far. I mean, I still am not super happy about this car, if I'm completely honest. I do wish I still had my SRT, but it's fine. You know, it's a car, guys. Yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Should I go with the entire tint? Like, should I just update it and just order some more? Go ahead and try my best. I did have a lot of issues with like these creases in here and around. It's just, you know, it's a tough area to wrap. Plus you have the curve here. So for me, not being great at wrapping, that was a little bit tough. But if you guys do have any tips for that, definitely let me know. And let me know if you think I should wrap that, because like I said, I think it looked a lot better, but with it peeling off and not sticking on, it definitely kind of hurt my feelings. So again, peeled it off right in the parking lot and said that was good enough. As always, make sure you do go ahead and support them. Down in the description, there'll be the top link. Go ahead and check it out. They got tons of different products for the new Jeeps, the previous Jeeps, pretty much any vehicle, pre-cut vinyls, pre-cut tint, all that good stuff. Makes your vehicle look awesome, and it's super simple to apply. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. And of course, like the video if you did get any information out of it, or if you did enjoy. I'll catch you guys in the next video.
I only got one life, I'm trying to live my shit. Minding my business as usual, I don't want nothing to do with the outside. How about the whip with a beautiful bitch? I've been too busy thinking about mine. Don't care what you be doing, I've been too busy thinking about mine. Back then shit was too bad, I was on the wrong path going too fast. Used to let the plug house holding too